Good morning. Today's video, I wanted to do a day in the life vlog, just a very chill vlog style video. It's Saturday and it's early. Y'all about to be like, Lawreen, why are you up at this time on Saturday? So it's 7:13 right now, but believe it or not, this is not the time that I woke up. I've actually been awake since 5:30. I know. What? Why? Girl, what are you doing? Look, last night, I don't know, I didn't think I was tired, but I fell asleep at like 9. I know. I'll literally show you guys how I have no life. No, I fell asleep at like 9. I wasn't planning on it. Like, I just on my laptop and then it just went sideways and I just went to sleep. And I tried to force myself to go back to sleep, but it just was not happening. Let me show you guys what I did last night. Look at it. I know. Like, Lawreen, what? You already put up a Christmas tree? Yes, I did. Okay, I was at Walmart yesterday looking for something actually because I wanted to film a video, but I didn't find it. So I thought I'd check out the Christmas section to see what they have so I can know what me and my sister need to go get to decorate next weekend. And they had these little mini trees that were like 10 bucks. I was like, this would be perfect for my room. So, cause you know, I need something festive for the background, obviously. So I got the little mini tree. It has pre-lit lights. It was only 10 bucks. They have like different colors. I got the black tree, which it doesn't look black, but to go with the colors in my room. And then I got these little cute gold and bronze decorations with a little bit of pink in there. So put my little tree up, you know, becoming festive because we are in November. Okay, it's November the 7th, I think. The 8th, 7th, it's the 7th. So look, Christmas is a lot to come early this year. I don't care what anybody says. Normally I am pretty early with Christmas anyways. Like, I get in the Christmas mood by the second week of November. Like, we're putting up Christmas stuff regardless. I'm trying to contemplate whether I want to go to the gym or not. I did go to the gym not last night, but yesterday afternoon at like 3 or 4. But I'm probably just gonna get up and probably go to the gym, do some cardio and abs. Yeah, I don't know how people do this vlogging in the car. Let's see how well my camera can stay up because I feel like it's not. Okay, so I just pulled up to the gym. My gym is very close to my house. It's like 5 minutes. So I go to Planet Fitness. I'm probably not gonna take you guys in there because I'm doing a lot of cardio, so I don't really know how I'm supposed to stabilize my camera, and I kind of don't want people looking at me like, girl, why is she taping herself? So I'll get back on here when I'm done. Pray for me. I'm gonna try to push myself. Almost kill myself, but we'll see. I gotta get a good workout in. We gotta burn at least 400 calories. Well, that's a lot. We gonna see how this goes. So as you can see, I've been left the gym. I had a good workout. Sorry for the lighting. Literally walking to Target as we speak. So you gotta come to Target in the morning because they be stocked. I'm talking stocked. Oh, this is kind of cute, guys. Look at this bag. It's on sale for $7.50. Oh, I have to get this. This would be perfect for Puerto Rico. Wow, cute. Love it. Yeah, see, when you come to Target in the morning, you score all the deals. Like, you score literally all the deals. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. The lighting is so not cute. It's not cute, but guys, look at this cute purse. So cute. I'm so excited about it. Gotta keep those lips moisturized. Bite Beauty. Hashtag sponsor. I'm just kidding. No. So, as you guys can see, I tried to vlog in Target, but the lighting was trash. So I did not vlog. I will insert the little part that I did, but I wasn't going in there particularly for a specific thing. I wanted to go look at their Christmas decor, which they do have out. Oh my god, it's a rainbow, guys. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Can you guys see that rainbow? It's a rainbow. Every time I see a rainbow, it never fails. I act like it's my first time seeing a rainbow. I don't know why. I act like a kindergartner. But yeah, so I wasn't going in Target looking for anything particular, but I'm happy that I did, because I did score this cute ass purse, which I'm so excited for. It's literally perfect for my next trip. First of all, it was originally $25. It was on sale for $7.50. So I mean, and this was the only purse, so I think God brought me here for a reason. This was meant to be. But this is the bag. It looks like this. First of all, it is so cute. It's an actual backpack, which I kind of love and I'm living for. And then it has this like little turquoise, not turquoise, whatever you call it, that little like print on here. So you can carry it like a purse too. And this is just perfect because I'm going to Puerto Rico. Like I said, I don't know if you guys could hear me when I was talking in Target. I'm going to Puerto Rico in a week and a half, and this is literally the perfect thing for me to wear every day. It's cute, it's stylish, it's like comfortable, you know, it's a decent amount of space. So I'm so happy that I found this. Like, I'm literally ecstatic. And for the price, I mean, you cannot beat it. And I did stop and get my vanilla, what is it? Oh Lord, pumpkin cream cold brew. We're just about to head back home. I'm done with being outside because I stink and I'm tired, so the home we go. See, this is the problem. Every time I go work out and I get all this energy, I do a bunch of stuff, and as soon as I get in the house, I just get hit.
You're late, foot down.
So as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and do some makeup on here. If my mood seems a little it's not personal, don't take it personal. I'm still kind of, even though I just laid down a little bit, I ate some oatmeal for breakfast. Yeah, so let's just go ahead. Maybe if I get cute, you know, do a little something. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna take out all these two braids, do my hair in here for you guys. Maybe I'll start to feel a little bit more better. I'm gonna be using this new brush set that I got during the Sephora sale, because Sephora brushes are so expensive. So the best time to get them is when there's a sale going on, or like their holiday sale. So I got this. I have added a couple other ones of my own, but I'm gonna make this my designated travel brush case because one, it's so like small and compact. This is their bright and shine set, I think. So all these gold brushes that you see, that's what comes with it. It comes with 7 brushes. There's like literally brushes for everything. I can do a full face with literally everything that's in here, and that's amazing because that means I don't have to carry a bunch of brushes. Like, it's perfect. So I'm just gonna use that to do my makeup today, and I'm going to use one of the brushes. So all of the brushes look like this. They have this little gold little thing. It's so cute. I'm just gonna use this, fill my brows in. And I love doing my eyebrows when they're already done. It makes it so much easier, guys. So much easier. And you see the sun just keeps going in and out. Like, it's so irritating. It just gets super bright out of nowhere and then it just goes away. But now let's pick our foundation for today. I think I'm gonna do my NARS with, I'm gonna mix these two. I was supposed to do a video comparing the two, but I never got around to it. I might still do it. But I'm gonna mix my NARS Natural Longwear Radiant with my Soft Matte Complete. I like it a lot. And for concealer, we are going to go with, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in chestnut. Okay, so I did a little quick makeup, nothing crazy. I took my hair out of the braids. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with it. I don't know. I wanna use the new Artist Couture X-Rated Gloss, cause I just got it. I'm gonna put this Mented Cosmetics lipstick on. This is in the shade Mented 5. It's a little more of a purpley kind of color, but I love this because it's so moisturizing. And I'm gonna go over it with this gloss. Ooh. Oh, that gloss did everything for it. So this is a lip combo for today. This is so cute. I like that. I like that. It's the new Artist Couture lip gloss in the shade X-Rated. You guys know I love the uncensored lip gloss. He came out with a couple new nude shades, and the X-Rated one is more caramel, more brownish, and this one is more of like a cool tone shade. So that's the difference between the two. This is the one that I have on, and it looks so pretty. I did put it on top of my Mented lipstick, but this looks so freaking pretty. I might just do this one piece like that because I really like that, like a lot. Just having this one piece out, it's like a perfect curl. This is kind of similar to how I did my hair when I did my my fall favorites video. Let me go get another hair tie so that this can be fixed. Give me 1 second. Okay, I went ahead and put my hair up in a bun. I fixed my edges, laid them a little bit, and this is how everything turned out. I like it. See, I feel a little bit better. You know, throwing a little makeup on, doing a little cute hairdo. Like, it really, it does something. It does something for you. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go visit my aunt and her baby. I haven't seen them in such a long time, so that's what I'm about to go do, and then we'll see what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day. I'm back in the crib. It's been a long day. I came back from my aunt's about an hour ago, and I've just been chilling. I tried on all my swimsuits that I got for my trip, and everything fits great, so I'm super happy. There's only one swimsuit where the bottom, a little too tight, you know, got a little too much junk in my trunk. I'm just kidding. No, it just doesn't fit well, so that's a flop. But for the most part, everything fit really well, so I'm super duper happy about that. It's 6:20 right now, pretty early, but it's very dark outside because what? Daylight savings time. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do tonight. Saturday night, nothing to do, lots to celebrate. Biden and Harris are in the house. Yes. I mean, I don't care if you're not happy about it. That's your problem, but I'm happy, okay? A lot of people are happy. It's a long time coming, and God is looking down on all of us.